Can I give the answer?
Yes, give the answer now.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Give the answer. First question. Give the answer.
Ma'am, we close door by pushing.
So give two instances. Any example you can give? Just give. Pratyush. When we closing the door, we are just pushing. Yes. Anything?
Yes, ma'am.
When sometimes the door should be opened like that towards you. That is you're pulling. Sometimes door have to be pushed to
Yes,
open it.
ma'am.
So you are pushing. A trolley. Trolley sometimes you are pulling. And sometimes to make it forward you are just pushing it. So many things you know. You will add two examples. Flow also. Yes. Seed drill also. Seed drill you know that you have to pull it. Otherwise it will not get drawn on the
Ma'am, may
surface
I?
of the field. Yes, you can. Bolo. Example. As many as examples.
Ma'am, ma'am, bull pulling the bullock cart.
Yes, pulling the bullock cart, yes. Falling on a swing, yes, they are on a swing. So you just do push it. They will again come back and again we are going to push. So like that. Okay. Next question.
Question 2. Give the examples of situations in which applied force causes a change in the shape of an object.
Yes. Come here and give the answer. When we come here, when you tear a paper, he is telling that when you are tearing a paper, you are changing the shape. Any other thing that without breaking it down?
Ma'am,
Yes. Broke a stick. Okay. Anything? Anyone else? We have done that very.
I'm
Yes.
stretching off
Ma'am,
rubber
can I?
band
Stretching of rubber band and kneading a dough. That will be an
and
example. Yes. Anything else?
clay to change its shape.
Clay. You can use clay.
Ma'am,
You can use
placing the
slime.
clay
Everything
between
that
the
you are just
hands.
applying force. That is changing the shape and size. Use pushing. Pushing rock. The shape. Rock is a solid substance. Its shape and size cannot be changed.
Ma'am,
Okay.
placing the clay.
Yes, clay. We can just make the clay into dough, into slime, into. So we can change the shape by applying force. Clear to everyone? Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, squeezing of plastic bottle.
Yes, that also. Your cold drink bottle has been emptied or the mineral water has been emptied. So you're just applying force. You're crushing it. So that is
Ma'am,
a
can you
change in shape.
explain what is?
Yes. What is Aditya? I'm not getting.
Ma'am, can you explain what is friction?
What is? That is the
Friction.
thing. That is the thing that you want, children. That the answers I will provide, you are not going to. I will give you. But after you write.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Yes, next question. Next question. Yes.
Question 3. Fill the blank. To draw water. To draw water from a well, we have to dash at the rope.
Very easy. To draw water, we have to
Pull,
pull the rope.
Pull.
There is a pulley. You know there is a
pull.
pulley
Yes,
that can
ma'am.
rotate. So when you are just pulling, what will happen? The rope will come towards you and the bucket that will also come towards you. It will come up.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when you are just releasing that rope, the bucket will go down. So we are just pulling. Here the word will be pulling. We are pull. We are pull. What is there? Pull at the rope. Yes. Next.
B. A charged body dash an uncharged body towards it.
A charged body dash an uncharged
Attracts.
body. What will be the
Attracts.
answer?
Attracts.
Attract.
Attracts.
Attracts. A charged
Attract.
body will attract an uncharged body. But two similar charged body will attract or repel? Repel. Two like poles of a magnet will attract or repel?
Yes,
Repel.
ma'am.
Two opposite
They
poles
will
of
not.
magnet will attract. Okay, so these are the things. Regarding this statement, we can have two other concepts that we have done already, and these are all examples of non-contact force. Okay,
Force.
next.
C. To move a loaded trolley, we have to dash.
Push it.
We have to
Ma'am,
Pull or
push
either
it.
push.
pull or
Okay,
push.
Ma'am, we have to
next.
pull or
All
push.
of you will do this in your book, pencil se karoge, and the question
Yes,
answers
ma'am.
part you are going to write down in your copy. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
D. The north pole of a magnet dash the north pole
Repels.
We have
Repels.
done. Just now we have done. Why you are in the last?
Yes,
Come here
ma'am.
in the first. Yes, you.
Repel.
चलो बोलो.
No repels.
Fourth, an archer stretches her bow while taking aim at the target. She then releases the arrow, which begins to move towards the target. Based on this information, fill up the gaps in the following statements using the following terms. Muscular,
अच्छा यहाँ पे. हाँ बोलो.
muscular contact, non-contact, gravity, friction, shape, attraction.
What will be?
Muscular.
Yes. So you have just tell me.
A. To stretch the bow, the archer applies a force that causes a change in it.
Shape.
Shape. It will be a change in a shape in the object. You are stretching it, so the length will increase. Okay, there is a change in.
Yes, ma'am.
Ultimately, the conclusion is there is a change in shape.
B. The force applied.
चलो continue करो.
The force applied by the archer to stretch the bow is an example of dash force.
Muscular
Muscular
force.
force. Ma'am, muscular
Muscular
force.
force.
The type of force responsible for a change in the state of motion of the arrow is an example of a dash force.
Contact
Contact
force.
D. While the arrow moves towards its targets, the forces acting on it are due to dash and then due to dash of air.
Gravity and
Gravity and
friction.
friction.
Gravity and friction.
Gravity, friction.
Gravity and that due to friction.
You are not getting. Okay, na? Done. Are you able to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the following situations, identify the agent exerting the force and the object on which it acts. State the effect of the force in each case. A. Squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice.
Yes. So state the effect of the force. So what ultimately what it is doing? Squeezing, changing the
Yes,
shape,
ma'am.
changing
Yes,
the shape.
ma'am.
There is a change in shape. Next one.
Uh, Taking out paste from a toothpaste tube.
You are again just applying muscular force. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And so that the
Change
paste
in
will come
shape.
out. So ultimately the paste, that a toothpaste, that tube will have the change in shape because some paste will come out. So it will be somehow that will get lessened. The volume will be less. So there is a change in shape. Okay. Is it clear? Next.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
dog suspended from a string while its other end is on a hook fixed to a wall.
Change in
So
shape.
like this. ऐसे
Ma'am.
जैसे. Yes. What will happen? What will be the answer?
Change in shape.
Again read.
Uh, a load suspended from a spring. While
Yes, there is a change in the shape of the spring. The spring will stretch. So if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first
Spring
condition
gets
spring
stretched.
is ऐसा अगर
Ma'am,
हुआ,
spring gets stretched.
yes, when there is no load, it has been attached with a hook. But in the next case, whenever the string that has been attached, that is getting attached with a load. Suppose any kg, any force. So what will happen? It will extend. So there is a change in the length. That is change in the shape. Clear, children? Spring.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next.
an athlete making a high jump to clear the bar at a certain height.
Yes.
Change in motion.
Yes. There certain height means you have to accelerate to some extent. You have to jump, change in position also. One from one position he is just lifting himself up. So not only change in motion but change in position also. Okay? Okay. अच्छा. इसको बोले थे इस थोड़ा पढ़ ले फिर.
Ma'am, we are changing motion gets changed.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, motion gets changed.
Yes, change in motion, change in the state of motion you can say. Okay, next question. A blacksmith is hammering. That will be changing the shape, है ना? Okay. So very easy, changing in the shape by hammering. What will happen? First of all, by heating, what will happen? The solid iron will get softer. And as a
Ma'am,
after
the
that, if
muscular
we
force changes her shape.
yes, so after that, if we hammer it, ड्यू टू सॉफ्टनेस इट विल गेट चेंज इनटू शेप एट एनी शेप.
Yes, ma'am.
आप घर में आप लोग देखे होंगे बहुत सारी चीज आयरन से बनाया घर में है. और प्लाउ
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know, seed drill you know, they are all made up of iron. How they are making all that? By first of all making it soft by heating it up to a certain temperature and then hammering or shaping it, and they will get the required shape. So there is again change in shape. Okay, next question.
Against a wall after it had been constructed with a sensitive cloth. It was found as the balloon sticks to the wall. What force might be responsible for the
Yes,
attraction
online
of the
children will answer this question.
Electrostatic force.
Yes, Satakshi.
Electrostatic force.
Electrostatic force. Very good. So we have done by rubbing any object with other, they sometimes acquire some charges on the surface, and that process, that is charges occurring on the surface, is caused by a force that is called electrostatic force. You can do it also sometimes in the winter, or in sometimes you will just rub the inflated balloon with a cloth and then bring it near the wall. You will say that without anything, glue, any stick, any nothing adhesive, it will get stick into the wall. But after that, slowly it will just release the charges. फिर से charge will release, yeah, अपने आप. So it will release the charge, and after 2 or 3 hours it will drop down. I have told you, you are not there in the class. I have told you. Electrostatic force, yes, that is electrostatic force. Mainly it occurs during the winter. That is when the condition is dry, moisture नहीं है. तब कंघी आप करते हो तो आपको आवाज भी सुनाई देता है, कट 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 crackling
Yes,
sound.
ma'am.
And sometimes you get that shock also due to that static electricity. So this electrostatic force build up static electricity. Static means it's not moving, but it has produced some charged bodies. वो जब उस and just bring the comb near your that hand, you will see that those hairs also get straight, attracted. Why? Because of the production of electrostatic energy, static electricity. Okay, all these terms you are going to read again and again in 9 and 10. So don't, हम पढ़ा रहे आपको भूलने के लिए नहीं, याद रखने के लिए. I will be sending this video again in the YouTube. Okay, so that you can again get all this. Okay, next.
Name the forces acting on a plastic bucket containing water held above ground level in your hand. Discuss why the forces acting on the bucket do not bring a change in its state of motion.
Yes, बोलो, बोलो answer.
Ma'am, may I?
Just wait. Yes, Satakshi. Just wait,
And muscular
Aditya.
force.
Aditya, just wait. Mute
Ma-
yourself. Yes, Satakshi.
Ma'am, muscular force of arms acting upwards and force of gravity acting downwards.
So muscular force is for acting upwards, trying to pull it up, and gravitational force is at the same time is acting downwards. So if we just overcome that gravitational force, then only we can pull it out. So that is why you are applying force. So resultant force will be your muscular force minus gravitational force. Then only the bucket will come up. Okay.
A rocket has been fired upwards to launch a satellite in its orbit. There is a force acting on the rocket immediately after leaving the launching pad.
So rocket has been fired. So what will happen? It will go
Gravitational
upwards.
force.
Yes, ma'am. Gravitational force.
Name it has, no, it has been asked that
Ma'am,
name two
frictional force
forces.
and gravitational force.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good.
ma'am.
So there is atmosphere and air is around. So there are two forces that will come into play. That is the frictional force and pressure. हमने सब लोग को pressure के बारे में बोले नहीं है. So ultimately it will just come to atmospheric pressure. But pressure is at a point. Force is all. है ना? Force क्या है? That is mass into acceleration. But
Yes, ma'am.
pressure क्या है? That is the force per unit area. एक unit area जगह के लिए. ठीक है? So here we are applying frictional force. And
And gravitational
there is a
force.
gravitational force acting down.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So this and one more force is there that is applied through the rocket by burning the fuel. That is the force of with which the rocket is going up due to the burning of the
Yes,
fuel
ma'am.
over here. And this is enough to overcome the frictional force which is also acting downward. Friction opposes action and
Yes,
gravitational
ma'am. Which
force also
opposes the
opposes.
motion.
So ultimately this force will be much more greater than these two, addition of these two forces, and so that it can escape from the atmosphere. Mission fail, and you have seen there is a separate fuel attached with here. यहाँ पे ऐसा और एक तो atmosphere तक that fuel works, उसके बाद वो detach वो ऐसी पॉलिसी उसमें रखा गया है. and then if they come to the space, so then they can just do the thing. That is why. So this is the launching is very very important. Launching part is very important. Okay. Clear? Is it clear, children? So you have got three force acting over there. Force applied by the burning of the fuel. As a result, it's going up, and the two forces that are acting in the opposite way. Okay. Chalo, next.
When we press the bulb of a dropper with its nose kept in the bottle, air is the dropper is seen to escape in the form of bubbles. Once we release the pressure on the bulb,
Bulb.
this is
What is true? When we press the bulb of a dropper, yes, you have seen a dropper sometimes when you are small, और कभी कभी dropper कान में या नाक में कुछ देने के लिए you have seen. Just hold it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
polio drop. अगर याद है तो eraser का है सर. Just otherwise they will not be able to. So mainly छोटे बच्चों को भी और कभी कभी ईयर ड्रॉप आई ड्रॉप ऐसे होते हैं. There is small pore and there is a cap like structure. This is the bulb. I think all of you have seen. So which saying it is inside water. Anything any liquid अगर होगा इसको प्रेस करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It is filled up with.
Ma'am, do you take noise?
It is filled up with air. So the air will bubble out through the liquid. ठीक है. और उसको जब छोड़ेंगे तो क्या होगा? That liquid will be sucked inside. अगर इसको छोड़ देंगे तो क्या होगा? That liquid that is present it will go inside. Why? Because inside जब by pressing there was low pressure. कोई pressure ही नहीं था क्योंकि हम कल बताए थे कि air अगर नहीं होगा जितना कम एयर होगा उतना लो प्रेशर होगा. So but here in the water or in the liquid or in the drop anything we are taking that is having a much more high pressure. So pressure will always that movement comes from high to low. So now the liquid will flow. Clear? इसीलिए ड्रॉपर में आता है. कोई मैजिक नहीं है कुछ भी नहीं है. It is the reason. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can draw the dropper also when you are writing down the answer. Next. हो गया? So children, this is the exercise we have done.
Yes, ma'am.